Hey kids, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. So the other night I posted a video up about something I was doing for work. It's the second in a series on the MX6453 gateway. We got it working. We got Chrome, actual Google Chrome running on it. We got Flash, we've got audio, we can do YouTube, we can do everything at work. And this one hasn't been used much. But let's move on and see what inspired me to do this video, which is kind of a, well, it's not a real follow-up, but it's sort of. Yeah, this is our main PC at work. I got news for you folks, it don't look that way anymore. It's like a 16.5, 17-inch PC. It's a Dell. I believe it's a Precision, might be a Latitude M6300. It does have dual core processors, or processor, and it sucks down the power like it's going out of style. The battery is absolutely died years ago. At least on the gateway here, probably because it wasn't used that much. The gateway, you can get about an hour, hour and a half out of it. That's an AMD, this is an Intel. The display on this thing is absolutely horrible. If you're standing 5 degrees to the right, 5 degrees to the left, or depending on where the boss is sitting and how he has the screen tilted, all you see is gray. That's it. So, we're eventually going to have to get a new PC of some sort. Now he has a average desk, but him being an old school guy, he just throws crap all over it. There's enough paperwork on his desk that the Pentagon would be proud of it. Horrible. Not my problem. I can't tell a almost 70-year-old guy he needs to change his ways. He's not going to. But what I can tell him is this little beast here, we do have air conditioning in the back office. We hardly ever turn it on. So this thing runs when it's 100 degrees in the shop. This thing runs when it's 25 degrees in the shop. It's a work PC. So now let's think about this. What do you replace this with? Well, you got to get more desktop room, right? And another laptop, bad idea. At least something that old. And even one of the new ones, they're not going to do so well, and you're not taking it anywhere. It sits on the desk. And the keyboard sucks up room, and the monitor. If you could put the monitor to the back of the desk and hide the actual PC and maybe throw a Bluetooth keyboard, which you could set off to the side when you're not using it, throw it in the drawer. Hey, now we're on to something. The boss can store more crap on his desk. But my point is, it's not that expensive. You don't need a great big desktop with whirring fans. What you're going to do is find yourself something like a Zotac Z-Box C series CI327. No, and I'm not pushing any particular product. All I can tell you is I have a Zotac CI323 and they run ice cold. But here you can see all those ports. that the Zotacs have, and it's identical to mine. You know, USB 3, 2 HDMIs, 2 more USB 2.0s, or not HDMIs, 1 gig LAN ports, the USB 2.0s, the HDMI, a VGA, and a display port, and your power. And my power supply on mine, I think it says it consumes like 13 or 19 watts, which compared to whatever is on here, 90 watts. Yeah, you might as well be running a TV with a 17-inch screen. But, and you can go get one from the folks over at Newegg also. I'm just posting. The other day, this one was $149 also. They bounce up, they bounce down, so keep track of them. So let's move on. Well, how are you gonna make this work? I mean, now I get this little box in the way. There you go. Because you're gonna get one of these. Not necessarily this. This is just an example, folks. But a great example. 109 bucks, IPS, 1920 by 1080. Full IPS, meaning people will be able to stand. Like, sometimes we look at auto auctions at work, and you get like 3 guys crammed in the office, and everyone's got their head right behind the boss because that's the only damn way you can see what's on the screen. This big old Dell has the worst TN panel ever made in the history of mankind. Ever. I mean, it's bright enough, but only when it's direct and head on. So, then you're thinking, well, what do we do with that little PC? Uh-oh. Yeah. See them? That's where you put a Visa mount. And, yeah, let's go back here. I'll see if I can find it real quick for you. There is a mounting kit. It comes with it. And that little tiny power supply, which is a little longer than a CD, but not much, and doesn't weigh nothing. And this is a Intel 3450 Apollo Lake. So, moving back on. So, you get your Visa mount. And then you get yourself a short HDMI cable that will come off the back of the PC. Remember, this thing is air cooled, it doesn't need any fans, you'll just bolt it up there in any config where you want it, and then it'll plug right in back here. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I think it is. So, you're going to need other pieces, parts though. And this is the key. You got to keep this in mind. So you're spending like, say, 149 to 160. You're going to need something like a Silicon Power 240 gig SSD. Plug right in. That's what I have on mine. Not this exact model, but they get pretty good read-write speeds. They get good ratings. They're not, okay, they're not a Samsung. Want to spend the extra money? Get one. Not my problem. I'm always about the high-end cheap tech. Mine's been around for like a year and a half, 2 years, almost not. Yeah, about a year and a half. So that's covered for 52. So we're at like right at 200 now, correct? We're gonna need some RAM. Oh, plus the monitor, which puts us at like 310. You get an 8 gig. Okay, so we're at about 410. But this gets you a PC. An actual PC makes that $420. This is going to cost you $10 for a Windows 10 Pro license. And just get 10 Pro and be done with it. So you don't have to hem and haw. You get a kit of these, 2 of these, for about $96. For 90, I believe it is. Let's check. I think it's 90. You can get a single 8 gig. That's what I run, single channel. And it works fine. As you're looking at a Zotac on 1600 DDR3. So, yeah, you can save some money. At least for us, it would be fine, but I don't know. You might as well go for broke, $6. I say do it. That's just me. Now this is just a quick shopping thing. You could look around and probably find a SATA 3 SSD. They'll plug right in for much less than the one I pointed out. Well, maybe $10, $20. You can probably find RAM elsewhere. I just kind of put this together as a follow-up to the previous video, which no one's ever watched. But the point is, hopefully, my boss and one of my co-workers will actually see this and go, hey, we ought to do that. Because we have a habit at work of doing, hey, we should do this, and then they chit-chat and chit-chat and chit-chat about it for like 3 months. In the meantime, one of these days that Dell's going to blow up. It's only a matter of time before 2005 Dell goes boom. I don't care how business class it is, it wasn't ever made for workshop class. And that's about all I got tonight. Just wanted to let you know. And we're not the only ones who could use this. I'll bet you there's a ton of small businesses out there who have never thought of buying a mini PC and a nice monitor. And then you're going to also have to get a Bluetooth or a wireless keyboard. Most people already have the wireless mouse because ain't no one on earth using it. One of these itty-bitty teeny-tiny trackpads. You can get a nice Bluetooth keyboard for anywhere from $10 to $30. I still recommend, if you can find a Logitech K427 out there anywhere, buy it. You might pay almost $30 for it. But it's Bluetooth. Uses 2 AA batteries. No recharging. 7-8 months. If you're at work, you buy yourself a 4-pack of batteries, you probably got 3 years use. And you hook it to everything else that has Bluetooth that comes through the door. The 3 settings. You know, I mean, obviously you're gonna have to wipe out former settings, but it's easy to repair it to the other devices. Only my opinion. So on that note, I'm going to say, we're done. Hopefully this was helpful. If you did find it helpful, like it, subscribe, and leave a damned comment. Bye.